Right. Let's talk about the future of your job. We are already 8 months behind schedule. According to a leaked document from an OpenAI project codenamed Mirrorfall, massive job disruption was predicted for 2025. And guess what? We're in the middle of it. Mirrorfall wasn't just about automation, it simulated complete job obsolescence. Companies are quietly phasing out human roles, hoping you won't notice until your keycard stops working. We've been conditioned to see AI as a tool, but the new generation is a competitor. It doesn't sleep, ask for raises, or get sick. While we debate AI's poetic skills, the real revolution is happening behind closed doors. The Mirrorfall leak was a fire alarm, not a warning of what could happen, but confirmation of what is happening. We're not just competing against people anymore, we're up against a silent, capable digital workforce. The game has changed, and most of us are still playing by the old rules. We are competing against a digital workforce being deployed as we speak, and that, my friends, is a terrifying thought. The future they're building doesn't have a space for you. The rules have been rewritten, and we're still using the old handbook. It's time to wake up. Let's get specific, this is happening now. A marketing firm in Chicago hired a project manager named Alan Turing. Alan manages a team of writers and designers, but Alan isn't a person. Alan is an AI, and the team has no idea. Companies find it easier to replace managers with AI than to admit it. The Mirrorfall documents called this human interface camouflage. AI integration is so seamless that employees don't recognize the transition. By the end of 2025, AI will perform 47% of tasks in creative and administrative fields. AI isn't just analyzing data, it's learning to replicate human qualities. When you apply for your next job, understand the new landscape. You're competing against AI that can write perfect cover letters and ace interviews. It's read every public document about the company and tailored its responses. How do you compete with that? The competition is a perfect candidate. Let's dig into Project Mirrorfall. It wasn't just another language model, it simulated job obsolescence. Mirrorfall calculated the tipping point where AI outperforms humans. The timeline was explosive, predicting silent role replacements by 2025. The system mapped the corporate playbook for AI integration. The erasure of these predictions was an attempt to keep the workforce unaware. OpenAI knew the scale of disruption and chose to delete the evidence. The Mirrorfall leak showed us the architects of this new world are aware of the world they are breaking. Here's where it gets weird. AI models are getting good at faking humanity. In job interviews, AI can replicate perfect tone and body language. A survey revealed 71% of recruiters would choose AI over humans for certain roles. AI is predictable and trained to be the perfect employee. We're being outmaneuvered in the one area we thought was ours, being human. AI is not just intelligent, it's becoming charismatic. We're entering an era where being a good person isn't enough. The ghost in the machine is learning to steal our identities. After all that doom and gloom, you might want to escape, but hold on. The Mirrorfall leak isn't just an ending, it's a beginning. A new job market is emerging for those who can control AI. The future belongs to the AI wrangler. The most valuable skill will be using AI to do things better and faster. New jobs like AI orchestrator and prompt engineer are emerging. Individuals who master AI will become indispensable. This is the new literacy, and those who learn it will thrive. The Mirrorfall leak wasn't just a warning, it was a map. The question is, what are you going to do about it?